You're seeing greasy grime on your engine's valve cover and need to know if it's a harmless weep or a serious leak. A weep is just a dry, dirty stain you can monitor. An active leak is wet, liquid oil, and it needs to be fixed. Here's the simple difference, especially on an engine with over 150,000 miles. The rubber valve cover gasket gets old. After years of heating and cooling, it becomes hard and brittle. It can no longer perfectly seal the gap between the valve cover and the cylinder head. A weep happens when a tiny bit of oil vapor escapes past this hardened gasket. It's not enough to look wet, but it is sticky, so it traps dust and grime, creating that dark, pasty line you see. This is functionally acceptable and just needs watching. An active leak is the next stage. The gasket has degraded even more, and now liquid oil is escaping fast enough to look wet, form puddles, or drip down. So, how do you find out for sure? Before you touch anything, you need to know what not to do. Your first thought might be to grab a wrench and tighten the valve cover bolts to stop the oil. Do not do this. This is a common and very costly mistake, particularly on older Honda and Toyota platforms. Those small 10mm bolts have an extremely low torque specification, usually just 7 to 8 foot-pounds. They are delicate. If you over-tighten them, you will snap the small aluminum studs they thread into, which are cast into the cylinder head. This turns a simple gasket job into a major repair that requires machining. Here is the correct, safe way to figure out what you have. First, wait for the engine to be completely cold to the touch. Then, spray the area around the valve cover with a foaming engine degreaser. Wipe everything down until the seam is perfectly clean and dry. This gives you a clean slate so you can see exactly what is happening. Next, just drive your car normally. For the next 1,000 miles, get in the habit of checking that clean area every few days. A small flashlight will help you see any changes. After 1,000 miles, check the results. If you only see a thin, dry-looking film of new dirt starting to form, you have a classic weep. This isn't an emergency. Just keep an eye on it during your regular oil changes. However, if you see fresh, wet, liquid oil on that clean surface, you have an active leak. The most important thing to check is where that oil is going. If it's running down the side of the engine toward the hot exhaust manifold or its heat shields, you have a problem that needs to be fixed soon. You will likely smell a sharp, burning oil smell after the engine gets hot. An active leak that drips onto a hot exhaust creates a serious fire risk and must be repaired. The proper repair is to replace the valve cover gasket entirely. This job usually includes replacing the spark plug tube seals at the same time, as they often come in the gasket kit. For a successful, leak-free repair, the metal surfaces on both the cylinder head and the valve cover must be scraped and cleaned until they are perfectly spotless. A very small dab of room temperature vulcanizing silicone sealant is then applied, but only to the sharp 90-degree corners where the gasket goes over the camshaft supports. Ignoring a significant leak will eventually cause your oil level to drop. If you confirm you have a wet leak, check your oil level weekly and plan for the repair.